was like driving a new Maserati down a dead-end street. Faster than the wind, passionate, seeing it too suddenly. Loving him is like trying to change your mind once you're already flying through the free fall. Like the colors in autumn so bright just before they lose it all. Losing him was blue like I've never known. Missing him was stuck crazy alone. Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never met. But loving him was red, yeah, red. Touching him was like realizing all you ever wanted was right there in front of you. Memorizing him was as easy as knowing all the words to your own favorite song. Fighting with him was like trying to solve a crossword and realizing there's no right answer. Regretting him was like wishing you never found out that love could be that strong. Losing him was blue like I've never known. Missing him was stuck crazy alone. Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never